Your car deserves regular maintenance to stay reliable, fuel efficient, and safe. In today's video, we'll show you 2 important things every car owner in the Philippines should know: how to change your engine oil at a Petron service station, and how to renew your vehicle registration at the LTO. Let's get started. First, drive into the Petron service bay and inform the service advisor that you'd like an engine oil change. They'll ask for your vehicle model and recommend the correct engine oil based on your owner's manual. Many Petron service bays also perform basic safety checks during the visit. The mechanic carefully positions your vehicle on the hydraulic lift and raises it to gain access to the engine's drain plug underneath the vehicle. An oil drain pan is placed beneath the engine before removing the drain plug. The old engine oil is allowed to drain completely. This process removes contaminants that accumulate over time. Next, the old oil filter is removed and replaced with a new one. Replacing the oil filter during every oil change helps keep your new oil clean and protects your engine. Once all the old oil has drained, the drain plug is reinstalled securely. Some service centers also replace the drain plug washer to help prevent leaks. After lowering the vehicle, the hood is open. And fresh engine oil is poured into the engine. Always use the oil grade recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. The engine is started for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. After shutting it off, the oil level is checked using the dipstick and adjusted if necessary. Before releasing the vehicle, the mechanic performs a final inspection for oil leaks and confirms everything is working properly. Keeping your registration current is required for legally driving your vehicle in the Philippines. Here's the renewal process. Bring your vehicle to an accredited inspection center. Your vehicle will undergo the required inspection and emission testing. Secure your compulsory third-party liability insurance from an accredited provider. Once completed, the insurance details are electronically transmitted to the LTO system. Log in to your LTMS portal account and select Vehicle Registration Renewal. Wait for your inspection and insurance records to be validated automatically. Once your records have been validated, pay the required motor vehicle user's charge and other applicable registration fees at the LTO cashier or through available payment channels. After payment has been processed, you'll receive your updated official receipt, confirming that your vehicle registration has been successfully renewed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your engine oil and renew your vehicle registration. Performing regular maintenance and keeping your registration up to date will help keep your car reliable, safe, and road legal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more automotive tips and DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.